After getting the knowledge about fibers, various types of fibers, this is the time to know about how these fibers, means the long threads, can be converted into fabric. Fabric means the cloth woven from the or knitted from the fibers. So, I'm ready here to deliver part 3 of chapter 14, Fabric from Fiber. What is the topic today? Production of cloth. Good morning, students. How are you all? Winter is its peak. Take care. And ready to learn science with me? Let's go. Page number 223, 224, and 225 are all about our today's topic, production of cloth. Let's now learn the basic details of the process of making cloth. In the production of making clothes, various steps are there, from collecting fibers from different sources up to tailoring. The complete process of making cloth from its raw material involves many processes, and these steps are given here sequence wise. Means what is the first step in this process, second, and onward up to the end. Various steps involved in the production of cloth are given here. First one is collecting the fiber from different sources. Second, spinning. Third one is weaving. Fourth one, dyeing. Fifth one, printing. Sixth one, finishing. And the last one is tailoring. Now let's learn about these steps one by one in detail. I'm going to show you a picture. This is a picture showing you that how laborers collecting the fibers from the farm. This is the picture of collecting cotton fiber from the cotton crop. Likewise, other fibers, for example, fleece from the sheep and jute from coir. Such type of fibers are collected from different sources. We are going to read the text given in the book about collection of fibers. Workers collect fibers from different sources. For example, cotton is collected from cotton balls and wool is collected from fleece of sheep. The picture shown here is a setup which is helpful in spinning the raw fiber into a long thread or yarn. जिस तरह से गांधी जी अपने चरखे से कॉटन को एक थ्रेड में कन्वर्ट कर देते थे, इसी तरह से ये स्पिनर भी रॉ फाइबर को लंबे थ्रेड में कन्वर्ट कर देता है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रीड द टेक्स्ट गिवन इन आवर बुक. Spinning is the process in which fibers are first made into long threads like strands. These are then spun together to form yarn or long threads. The process of making yarn from fibers is called the spinning. A simple device for spinning is the charkha there, we know very well. The picture shown here is the common sight of Panipat city. A lady is operating a loom. What is a loom? A loom is the setup in which the long threads can be converted into the cloth. And this loom can be operated in both the ways, with the help of hand or with the help of some machines. So This is the loom shown here is operated with the hand, and that's why the cloth made from hands with the help of this loom is known as handloom. And Panipat city is famous for handloom day, students. Now we are going to read the text given in the book. This is a process of making cloth or fabric from yarns. This is done by a weaver, and who is a picture of attentiveness and concentration. What is the meaning? Means a weaver always needs attentiveness and concentration while operating the loom. Uh, this machine is called the loom. At some places, weaving is still done on a hand operated loom called the hand loom. This is all about the process of weaving, how the long threads can be converted into fabric or cloth. Now, if the cloth made from long threads is in our hand, we are ready here to give it our favorite colors. मम्मी को देखा है कभी कभी दुपट्टा डाई करवाने जाती हैं। इसी तरह से जो क्लोथ बन के तैयार हो गया उसको मन चाहे रंगों में ढाल दिया जाता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ द प्रोसेस कॉल्ड डाइंग. Let's see what is given in the book. After the fabric is prepared, it is given different colors. The process of coloring the cloth is called the dyeing, and this is done by a dyer who soaks the cloth in a solution of the dye. So, dyer is the person who dyed our cloth. Let's move towards the next step. What you are observing. Definitely in general knowledge, you have read about the block printing or tie and dye, etc. Here, with the help of these techniques, the colored cloth is printed with different patterns. Now let's see what is the text given in our book about printing. Printing, to make the dyed cloth look more attractive, beautiful patterns are printed on it. This is done by a printer, either by hand or by using a machine. This is all about the process of printing. Now, after printing, finishing is the process in which the printed cloth is finally made smooth, soft, and shiny. This is done by some special chemicals. The cloth is washed with special chemicals, and that is all about the finishing process. After this long journey, what we get in our hand is the cloth that is made with the help of long threads. Now, what you are watching in the picture, tailors making dresses. And when tailors are able to make the dress, when we take some cloth from the market and hand over to the tailor. What is tailoring? The finished cloth is then sent to the market from where we buy it, and we then get it stitched into different dresses by a tailor. Now I am going to show you a picture you are familiar with. During the winter season, this sight is common for you as our moms are involved in the process of making sweaters with the help of this technique. This is known as knitting. So, knitting is the technique in which woolen fabrics are made with the help of woolen threads. Now, do you know is given there? Dresses like sweaters, pullovers, and socks are made from woolen yarns by the process of knitting. During knitting, single yarns are hand knit or machine knit to make many beautiful patterns in different types of woolen dresses. And this is all about the making of or production of cloth with the help of different techniques, dear students. Now we know that the clothes we wear are prepared by the efforts of so many people. Someone collect the raw fiber, other is spinning it, then weaving, dyeing, printing, finishing, etc. This is our duty to take good care of these fabrics so that they can look attractive and remain last longer. Now, something is from my side, dear students. Keep a close eye on each garment coming in your way to connect yourselves what you get from your chapter. Various things are there to observe while handling a cloth. And keep caring your clothing because it is made by efforts of many hands. Now I will meet you on the other side with the keywords you must know and back exercises. Till then, thank you. Have a good day, dear students.